Hey, what's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing salt and pepper pork steak today. Salt and pepper pork steak, y'all. Look at that. Don't it look good? Now, I would call this a beginner barbecue dish because you know you want to get your salt and your pepper ratio right before you even think about doing your rub. So, anyway, let's get it. Oh yeah, and always remember, salt and pepper is always the taste, y'all. Always the taste, because everybody's gonna like it a little bit different. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. It's just that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, if it's your first time here, welcome. Glad to see you. Hope you hit that subscribe button. But first thing first, we gonna go ahead and rain on them. Hit it with that salt and that pepper. And that's all we gonna need, y'all. That's all we gonna need. And of course, we gonna salt and pepper both sides. And after we get it all seasoned up, we gonna go ahead and get into that smoky, y'all. And yeah, y'all, don't forget that like button, that like button, that like button, y'all. Let's go for 100 likes today, y'all. 100 likes. Now we gonna get this into the smoker, and we gonna let this smoke for about 30 minutes, just like this, y'all. Now these pork steaks are about a 1/2 inch thick, so you know cooking time gonna vary depending on your pork steak. So after 30 minutes, we gonna get them out that smoker, and look how they look, y'all. Don't they look tasty? But we ain't done yet, and they ain't done. We gonna get some of my barbecue sauce on. Now I made this barbecue sauce, y'all. Now, if you want to know my barbecue sauce recipe, hit me up in the comments. I will make a video on how to make this sauce. And of course, we gonna sauce both sides of our pork steak, y'all. So we flipping them over. Go get some more sauce on. After we get that sauce on both sides, we gonna wrap this up like a little package, y'all. Now see what that's gonna do is that's gonna base and seal and just really bring that barbecue sauce flavor to the forefront of each pork steak. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Now, my pork steak after the 30 minutes were almost done, so I only needed another 10-15 minutes back into the smoker. Now you want to go by temperature, y'all. Now, when I take my pork steaks out, I usually take them out at around 160 degrees, which for me is the perfect temperature for a pork steak, y'all. A barbecue one anyway. But anyway, let's get a peek inside of this pork steak and check that out, y'all. Oh my goodness, don't it look good? So I had mine with baked beans and potato salad, y'all. And me and wifey ate good that night. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.